this is Kristi Carter, and it's day number 63 for the Internet Lifestyle Network 100-Day Video Challenge. I'm here in my office today. I'm going to show you a little bit about how to work the back end of your blog. So I went ahead and did a blog post on my blog today, and I thought I'd show you how to do it if you haven't done it before, and some other little tips and tricks. So let's take a look here. It took me probably about 45 minutes to do this blog, and I just kind of did a little blurb about some of the marketing systems I've used in the past and what I am using now, which I love, which is the Internet Lifestyle Network. And so I talk about that. So number one, it shows people, if you're branding yourself, it shows people that you have it shows people that I have experience. I have like 3.5, 4 years of online marketing experience. I've tried a lot of different things in the past, and I'm going to show them why the Internet Lifestyle Network is so good. So to first start out, I start out with you know, kind of my experience with the reverse funnel system that goes way back, and free commissions, Numis.com, Secret X, and MLSP, things like that. So you know, I've been around the block a little bit, so I know a little bit about how to do marketing, and I just want to show people how valuable the Internet Lifestyle Network really is, and why I am here with the ILN network, and I'm pretty much cutting loose everything else. So anyway, so one of the main things is you want to pick out a keyword for your blog. Okay, so my keyword here is marketing systems. So I'm going to sprinkle the marketing systems, because that's my topic, throughout my blog post. Okay, and this is really important because the algorithms in the internet SEO engines are going to pick up that keyword, and you know, anywhere that keyword is throughout the internet space is going to maybe attract this blog post. Go to some other blogs that might have that topic, that type of thing. So it's kind of complex, and I'm not describing it correctly, but anyway, it's there for a reason. Okay, keywords are huge, 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 huge. So anyway, I'm comparing ILN with other marketing systems. Okay, so then I go and talk about my past experience with like MLSP, with Russell Brunson stuff, and I love all these guys. You know, I'm not dishing them or anything. They're all great systems. I just happen to really, really love Internet Lifestyle Network right now. So, and I'm sure I will for a long time. So anyway, I go all the way down here, and I have sprinkled in here marketing systems. I have the word in there at least 6 times. It should be more than that, but because I'm doing other things that are really important to get this thing in the search engine optimization up, I'm okay with it being less than like 1%, but it should be like 2 or 3% usage throughout of your keyword usage throughout your blog post. So anyway, then I go by, here is the reason why I love this marketing system, which is ILN network. Okay, so I list the steps here and tell them about it, how I feel, and then I have my link here. If they want to go directly to the Internet Lifestyle homepage with my, you know, affiliate link, then that's how I will get paid if somebody opts in and decides to join the system underneath me. So that's the post. Okay, so that's keywords, and sprinkling them throughout your post is really important, and making sure that you have at least one link to your own ILN homepage, or maybe 2 or 3. So that would be even better. So we're going to go down here, and what we want to do again is see the focus keyword is here. It's marketing systems. Okay, and so you put in that. And then I also, the meta tag description, this is kind of like keywords also. And you know how Vince told us to, whenever we do a post on Facebook, to use, there's that big huge paragraph of all those words. We'll use some of those. You can't use all of them, but you can use some of them for the meta tag description, and that will help drive more traffic to your blog post. Okay. So then I also did that here with the tags. I went ahead and put all of these words in here where it says tags. So that is going to really do some good SEOing for this blog post. I'm trying to drive people to my post so they will opt into my blog, and I'll start getting an email list of people to send more information to or to help out or whatever. But the bottom line is you want them to opt into your blog with their email and name so that they will be on your list and they'll join you in your team on the Internet Lifestyle Network. Okay, so let's keep going. We're going to go up here, and what's really cool, and every time you make a change or you do something, you want to go save draft. Okay, the thing with online marketing, I've found this out the hard way a lot of times, is like you got to save everything and just save it. You know, some systems save it automatically. This one does. Clifton's done a great job, but you want to save everything because you never know. The power could go out, and that's happened to me, or somebody hits the keys wrong and you lose, you know, an hour's worth of work. You don't want that to happen. So save your draft. And every time you save your draft, the SEO check is different as well. So let's take a look here. This is what I mean. See this SEO, the green button? It says check. It's going to check to see how good your blog post is going to be seen by the outside world. And it's awesome. This is so good. You want to get as many green dots as possible because that's really going to get your blog post seen by a ton of people, and that means you're going to have a ton of business, and that's awesome. And you're going to help a ton of people provide value, you know, in their own lives and to other people too. So it just spreads. It's awesome. I love it. So anyway, so at the top here, and orange is not, you know, I should fix something here, but I'm probably going to just stay with what I have because I feel pretty good about this post. But the keyword density is 0.88%. It should be 1 or 2 or 3%. That would be better. But like I said, everything else on here is pretty good. The images on this page do not have alt tags containing your keyword phrase. I should probably fix that. Anyway, you can just read down here. You want to have like a subheading, like another paragraph with another subheading with your keyword. And I do. I don't know why that's appearing. I'm still learning this stuff too. But the copy score is 75.8, which is a fairly easy to read blog post. You don't want it to be too over many people's heads or too, you know, dumbed down. You want it to be just right. So that's a pretty good rating. The keyword phrase appears in the URL for this page. Yep, it does. Internet. Yep. And the keyword appears in the first paragraph of the copy. That's right. You want to have your keyword in the first paragraph, or even start out your whole paragraph, your whole post with your keyword. That's really huge. So it goes down here, and I'm firing on all green dots here. That's pretty cool. I have kind of a long post here. It's 687 words. I've heard that 500 is what you want to aim for, but now they're saying 300 is good for words. So I could have just done something half this much, but I got passionate. I got really into it, so that's okay. And you've never used this keyword before. Very good. So you get kudos for that. That's very cool. And the page title is more than 40 characters and less than recommended 70 character limit. So most of this is pretty darn good. And I'm going to, again, I'm just going to save. I just save all the time. And you always want to put an image in. Images really boost up your SEO. So I went ahead and I did, I can just do it again as a demonstration. So you want to click and have your cursor where you want your image to go. And so you just have that. I always have an image at the beginning of my post. And you just go to add image. It's going to go to your image files, and you're just going to go ahead and add an image. So we'll just go ahead and add something just for fun. We'll take it out a little bit, but we'll just add that guy and insert it into the post. So now there's going to be 2 internet lifestyle banners. So we're just going to go ahead and take that guy out, and there we go. Took that guy out, so that's okay. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that, and you know, you have to fool around with this for a little bit, get used to it. Also categories over here, that's really important. You can add your own categories. These are the categories that I have. I added myself for the blog. And this is about online business system. I'm going to put it also in internet business. I think you can add a few different categories. You can add a new one if you want right there. So I'm going to save that because I just put an image in, took it out, and I clicked another category. So I want to save everything you do. And then just make sure you go through and check, and then correct the things that you need to check. So, or that tells you to correct. So that's it, guys. It's pretty fun, pretty straightforward. Clifton and the guys behind the scenes have done a great job. I'm really impressed because I've been doing blogs for many years. And I used to use SEO Presser. That was done by another guy, and this system makes it so much easier. So this is awesome. I love it. So anyway, you guys, take care. Have a great evening. This is Kristi Carter, day 63 of the ILN Network 100-Day Video Challenge. Take care and happy blogging. Bye-bye.